Hello, hello. This is a digital project. My topic is identity. First, let me know what is identity. Identity is defined as how a person understands his or her relationship to the world, and how that relationship is structured across the time and space, and how the person understands the possibility for the future. So, in the term of the second language acquisition, recognize a language as a social practice, identity highlights, and how language constructural and how to constructural by a vary of the relationship. And there is three chapters of the identities. First is the multiples. The second is identity as a struggle. The third is identity as a change over time. First, I want to introduce the multiples. In my experience, in the 2003 to the 2006, I'm a college student in the Anhui Agricultural University. Also, I have another identities. I'm a radio host in the Anhui broadcaster TV station. So, also I work in the TV station program director. I write some word for the Anhui TV station. So, in the 2006 and to the 2012, I was a student, but I'm studying in the Donggu University of Korea. I almost are the Buddhist, so I believe that. In that time, also I have the identities is I'm a foreigner student. So I want to talk something about the identity as a change over the time. In 2012 to the 2017, I'm working in the customer pharmaceutical companies. I have three jobs positions. One is director of the sales, two is the marketing director, three is general manager. It's a very good place, but I have the three identity in the one company. So, I want to use another things to change the identity as also the change over the time. First, in the 2018, I'm a graduate student in the Western University of the Canada. Also, I have the foreigner student in here. I want to talk some identity as struggles. So first, when I'm in Korea, I'm also a graduate student of the University of the Korea, but it's no way to get the same job opportunities as another student. The second case is I live in Canada for 3 years, but I'm not Canadian, but that means I can get the same opportunities to work in this Canada because my identity is not structural. So I think in the future, the teaching the second language, I think I want to help the student to build the confidence in his life or studies. Second, I want to give the student the confidence in their own identities to build these identities. Three is I will give the student the same opportunity to show themselves.